this is Miss Chalone, and I'm here for another recorder video. Today we're going to be learning Amazing Grace. Amazing Grace uses the notes low D, low E, G, A, B, and high D. High D is just your middle finger and no thumb, all right? So first I'm going to play through. So let's start that first phrase, low D, low E to G. Just sounds like this. Let's do that with me, D, E, G. Ready? Here we go. One more time, ready? Here we go. All right, the next part, B, G, B. So we're going to put that together with the first part. Ready? Here we go. And again, ready? Here we go. All right, the next phrase is A, G, E, D. Again, that is Try that with me. Ready? Here we go. One more time. Ready? Here we go. So now we're going to put that whole first phrase together. All right, starting with that D, E, G. The notes are D, E, G, B, G, B. Ready? Here we go. Let's do that again. Ready? Here we go. Now the reason we spend so much time on that phrase is it keeps coming back. Okay, so that next phrase starts the same. So that part you already know. So the new part after that is A, B, D, that high D. We're going to hold that for 6 beats. Be careful not to put too much air into that high D or it gets really ugly. So it's A, B, D, and we'll hold it for 6 beats. Ready? Here we go. Let's do that again. I'm going to tap the beats here so you can hear those or feel those. Ready? Here we go. So now we're going to put the second phrase fully together. It starts the same as the first. D, E, G, B, G, B. And then we add in the A, B, D. Okay, ready? Here we go. All right. Let's do that again. Ready? Second phrase. Now we're going to put it together with the first phrase. That's the part that goes A, G, E, D at the end of that first phrase. Okay? So first two phrases together. 1, 2, here we go. All right, if you feel like you haven't quite gotten that, rewind a little bit and practice that a couple more times. I'm going to go on to the third phrase. The third phrase starts B, D, D, B, G. Again, that is B, D, D, B, G. Try that with me. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Again? All right, next part. O, D. D, E, G, E, D. Again. D, E, G, E, D. Put that together with me. Ready? Here we go. Again, ready? Here we go. So now we're going to put that third phrase all together. It goes B, D, D, B, G, D, E, G, E, D. Ready? Here we go. Again, ready? Here we go. And then the last phrase is pretty much like the second phrase. D, E, G, B, G, B, A, G. So it's just a shorter part of that first phrase, actually. Okay, let's try that last phrase. Ready? Here we go. And you pretty much know it. So let's go ahead and try the whole thing together. Ready? Good luck. Ready? Here we go. All right, you know what to do now. Happy practicing.